Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you are new here, welcome to you as well, and I hope you do stick around and subscribe to my channel. As you probably saw by the title of this video, today we're gonna be trying out this viral hair comb. I don't know about you, but it's been showing up on my For You page for a while now, and I just really wanted to try this out. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't have high hopes that it's gonna work on my head. All the videos I've seen was from people with a more looser curl than mine, or those with straight hair. But regardless of how I feel, we're still gonna try it out today and see if it's worth getting. And if you have hair like mine, hopefully this video helps you out. So before we start trying it out, let me just show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna get straight into it. I actually just washed my hair and I have some leave-in conditioner on my hair at the moment. I think I'm gonna start in front. You can use like a styling product if you want to, but I'm just gonna stick to this leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna wet my hair a tiny bit. Like I said, I don't have high hopes, but here goes nothing. So I think you're supposed to like put it in between. And then supposed to just let it go. It's not bad. I see the vision. But we're gonna try this again, and I think it's better if I put on like a product, but I'm gonna stick to my leave-in conditioner and see how it does, and maybe like take a smaller piece. But let's see, take two. Okay. Okay, you guys, I can already see this is not gonna work. So where I have the more loose curls, it seems to work. But on top, where I have like a more kinkier curl, it seems to not curl it at all. We're gonna give it one more try. I don't really think it's working. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. It seems like the top section don't curl that well because I have a more tighter curl pattern on the top. It's probably not good if you have a tighter curl. Maybe I am doing this wrong, I don't know. So I'm gonna give it one more try before I call it quits. Okay, not too bad. I have sections in my hair that don't curl as well as the others, so I think it will be good for that. But to do your whole hair like this, I don't know. I see what it's supposed to do. I just think it don't work as well on my hair because I have a tighter curl. But it could also be because I needed to put on a product maybe. It's nothing amazing that I would like waste the whole day trying to do this on each curl. Like nobody has time to be doing this section by section, especially if you have hair like mine. So in that sense, I probably wouldn't recommend it, but in the sense that you have a few hairs or a few curls that doesn't curl as well as the others, it'll be good to use this to sort of define your curls. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna do one more piece And then we're gonna call it done because I think I've seen what I needed to see with this product. Let me just brush this out. Like, I was willing to do my whole head, to be honest, with this, but now I'm like, I'm not even gonna waste my time. I can already see where this is going. So it'll be great if you don't have curly hair and you want your hair to be a bit more curly. It'll probably work. But if you have hair like mine, don't like waste your time on this. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this is what I'm working with. Maybe I need to add some product onto this. I'm not ready to just give up yet. But I am not doing all this hair. You guys can see I am not about to waste my time just for little baby curls. Okay, that was me. That was my mistake because I didn't do the top properly. I don't know, you guys. I am not convinced. Does it do what it's supposed to? Yeah, but on my hair, it's just not worth my time. It's good for like 1 or 2 curls that you sort of want to define like this. But as you can see, my hair is a little frizzy. If I wanted to curl that particular piece a little more, I could probably use this. But to do my whole head for something that does not look extra amazing, like, it's not worth it for me. See, it defined it a little bit more. So in that sense, I would definitely use it to just do like certain curls. I'm addicted now. I'm gonna do one more. But to do this on your whole head, it's way too time consuming, number one. And like, I feel like your brush sort of does the same thing depending on which brush you have. If you have a good curl brush, it can sort of do the same thing. Okay, a little bit. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm not about to do my whole head for just, see, it doesn't curl the top. I don't know if my hair is too like frizzy or too like kinky. Maybe I need more hair products, but I'ma just end the video right there. Does it do what it's supposed to? Yes, but am I happy with what it did? No. I wouldn't waste my time on it. And I'm specifically talking about if you have hair like mine. It could probably work if you put on a lot of product and you just want an easier way to like sort of twist your hair or train your curls. Probably would work. If you do have a loose curl or straight hair and you want a little bit of curls, I would recommend this. Yeah, it's a no for me. Anyway, let me know your comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you think I'm using this wrong, comment down below. If you think I should try it with different products, let me know, and maybe I would do another video or update. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you on my next video. But I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought I was gonna have some luxurious curls, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. If you are interested in getting this product, I'll leave the link down below, and I hope to see you on my next video. Until next time, bye.